Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple and easy salad recipe. I'll be preparing orange, rocket, beetroot and feta salad. All the ingredients are very easily available in the market right now, so you can prepare this recipe. And all the ingredients that I used in this recipe are purchased online. Here I've already cleaned and prepped the orange segments and reserved. We need to wash and reserve the rocket leaves. I'll be using lime juice, feta cheese and parboiled beetroot. Now on a serving plate or in a salad bowl, just layer your rocket leaves. I really enjoy the taste and flavor of rocket leaves because of its peppery taste. I'm really enjoying the taste in the salads. So here I layer the rocket leaves with some beetroot slices. Beetroot is simply boiled and cooked with some pepper and salt. Now I'll top the beetroot with orange segments. We need to prepare a dressing. So for the dressing, I'll use olive oil, lime juice and pepper powder. I'll combine the dressing in a small bowl and reserve it. You can use this dressing for many salads. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Now once I've prepared the dressing, I top the salad with the dressing. Now I'll add the feta cheese. You just need to crumble and add the feta cheese on the salad. And finally you need to garnish the salad with walnuts and almonds. You can toast your walnuts and almonds, but I used it raw. I'm just going to top the salad with some walnuts and almonds and serve it. It's a wonderful salad. Do give this recipe a try. All the ingredients along with my social media handlings, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and a detailed blog post will be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.